Hi, welcome to CrochetSmash. Today we will make a neck warmer. This is a one I already made with the gray yarn. The stitch I used is lemon peel stitch, and after like one hand length I used a single crochet line to give it my design style. So, and I joined the ends to make it slide through my head and to sit on my neck, just like that. Slight texture. It is easy to say this lemon peel stitch is very easy to do. It is just a single crochet and double crochet alternating. So let us begin by making some chains. I make an odd number of chains. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17. Okay, I made 17 chains. Then on the second chain from hook we make a single crochet. Then the next one we make a double crochet. I hope you know how to make the single crochet. The next stitch we are going to make a single crochet, right? So single crochet is just insert the hook, pull up a loop. Now you have 2 loops on the hook, then yarn over, pull through 2 loops. For the double crochet we do wrap around 1 time, then insert the hook, then pull up a loop. Now you have 3 loops on the hook, yarn over, pull through the 2 loops, then yarn over again, pull through the remaining 2 loops. That's a double crochet. Now we are going to alternate between single crochet, double crochet. So again, single crochet, double crochet, and we are going to end with a double crochet. That's the first row. Now we are going to chain 1 and turn our work. We are going to make a single crochet in the first stitch itself. Remember we ended with a double crochet, so on top of that double crochet we are making a single crochet. Then the next one we are going to make a double crochet. So again we are repeating this row with a single crochet and double crochet, alternating. Single crochet, double crochet, then a single crochet, then a double crochet, then a single crochet. It's actually a no-brainer. It will end with a double crochet. And on that last one we are going to make a double crochet. Repeat it just like that. Chain 1, then single crochet in the first stitch, double crochet in the second one. We make approximately 10 rows, then I will go and make single crochet line. We'll meet again. When you look on this one, you know this is a single crochet and this is a double crochet. So we are going to chain one, and when we are going to do the single crochet on top of that double crochet, then you know this next one is a single crochet, we are going to make a double crochet on top of it. It naturally comes to that, so you don't have to really think hard about are you making a single crochet on the top of the double crochet or not. You will get these neat edges. And to make the design purpose, I am going to change the stitch after some time. It looks like there is a difference in texture now, right? So if I take this one, you can see the texture difference. I did 3 rows of single crochet in between the lemon peel stitch blocks, so it has a texture difference here, right here. This yarn is not showing that much, so you continue this one. This is how we can make it. Once we finish making the enough length, then we will meet again. This is how much I did. Like it is about 16 inches, 16 and a half though. It is good for a neck warmer. I added some red buttons. You remember that I started from here with this color, then to give this color, because it was a variegated yarn, this color was the end, and so to get this one here as well, I added a few more lemon peel stitch in the end. Now the result is like this. I'll just try these buttons and go like this. And the other side is just like light color, so looks good. It is small to keep it in the purse, but useful when it is cold outside, just to take it, put it around your neck to keep you warm. I like this one. Okay, so along with the gray one, I made this one in variegated yarn. Those two are neck warmers. So you can use the same stitch to make a beanie hat. I will try that one next time, and I will show you in the upcoming videos one time. Okay, next I will come with another pattern for the next video. If you like this video, please like, comment and subscribe. Please share it with the other people. I would appreciate to get a few more comments on my videos, to be honestly, so I know somebody is watching it. I gained 2 more subscribers in the last video. So we will meet again with another stitch pattern and in another video. Till then, bye bye.